Hey guys, today I'll show you this super easy recipe for carrot muffins. In a large bowl, measure out 1.5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of sugar with 1 cup of oats. Give everything a quick mix and add in about 1/2 cup of raisins. Now I'm going to add in a cup of carrot pulp from juiced carrots. You can use shredded carrots, either of them work great. The batter's done, so now you can spoon it into a cupcake tin. You can also make this into a giant loaf, but I prefer small individual cupcakes. This batter makes around 18 muffins, so there will be some empty cupcake slots in the pan, so just fill those with water so they don't burn.